Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be trying a pre-cut short hair system. This is the Quanta from Lordhair in color 1B. What's cool about this system is their pre-cut service, so you can basically wear it straight out of the box. You can either pick from their ready-made hairstyles or send them a picture of the look you want, and they'll customize it for you. One thing to note, they always leave the hair a little longer than requested. This is intentional because once it's too short, you can't fix it, so it gives you room to tweak it if needed. I'll show you how it looks on, but if you're interested in checking it out, you can find the link and a discount code in the description box below. Alright, let's get started. I prefer these blue stripe tapes. They're super reliable and can last more than a week. But I also really like the Walker Ultra Hold. It's another great option if you're looking for something strong and long-lasting. Here's how I tape the hair system. I just apply the tape around the perimeter. Since my hairstyle doesn't really expose the hairline, I also use tape at the front instead of glue. It's simple, quick, and works perfectly for me. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these tapes or if you have any other favorites. Alright, the tapes are all set, and now it's time to put the hair system on. Here's how I do it. Start by placing it about 4 fingers above your eyebrows. Line it up, then gently place the front of the system on your forehead. From there, gradually press it down firmly onto your head, like this. The best part about this hairstyle is that it's so short, I don't really need to do anything to style it. It's already good to go. Simple and effortless. I also had this hair system thinned out because I love low-density hair systems. They give off such a natural vibe and look more realistic. Alright, let me know what you think about this hair system in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.